Buongiorno. Good morning from Venice, Italia. Gonna go see what's on offer for breakfast. Yeah, let's go check it out. Okay, so today we decided to buy this Venice City Pass. It cost 20 euros for a day, and you can catch all the public transport like the buses and some of the water boats as well, the water buses. So it's good value for money if you're going to be using a lot of it. And if you buy for more than one day, then you get a discount, so it's like 2 days for 30 euros and so on and so forth. So it's probably like the best option for the day.
I'm going under, understand my fear, there's no one to save me. Yeah, this all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. I say it's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you number the pen. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and you pulled a rope. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
Having a good walk around Venice now, through some of the alleyways, crossing over some of the canals. And a lot of the architecture and the buildings are very cool. You can see some of the traditional buildings have still been preserved. There's still people living here. Weather's a lot milder today, which has definitely helped, and the sun's out, so I'm hoping that it's going to be a wonderful day. Waiting for the water bus to arrive now to go to St. Mark's Square. As you can see behind me, there's one just turning up now. That's boat number 1. Waiting for boat number 2 to arrive. Welcome to St. Mark's Square. This is probably like the busiest square in Venice, the most popular. I don't know if you can see behind me, but it is really busy, and there are a lot of tourists here. Obviously everything over here is overpriced, so any of the restaurants and cafes are going to be highly priced, but it is a nice place to kind of see some of the buildings and the architecture, and the views are really nice. You just look at the architecture. Texture. Enjoying it, yeah?
Yeah, man.
What's your favourite bit so far?
This part.
Come to a tea house called Fujiyama Beatrice Tea Rooms. It's a Japanese style cafe. They do have a few different vegetarian or vegan options for food, as well as their coffees and drinks. Check it out. Samir, what you got, bro?
Some mint tea.
Mint tea, yeah. I got my matcha latte. Matcha. We got some black tea, right? Just finished from the tea shop, had lunch. It was very nice. Definitely recommend it. Fujiyama Tea House. Nearly all the food there is vegan. They do serve some milk and cheese on some of the food, so if it's not vegan then it's definitely vegetarian. Managed to get the praise in as well in the courtyard at the back. It's a nice quiet place. Now the plan is to go to one of the other islands called Murano. And Murano is known for the glass making, traditional glass making. It's going to take about 25 minutes to reach there. Obviously it's convenient having that Venice card that we've got for travelling. You can use it on the different boats and stuff. So let's head there now. As we were walking towards getting the bus, the guys just wanted to stop to get some dessert. Obviously, they couldn't help themselves. I thought I'd help myself as well, so I got the banana waffle with some cream in there and Kinder Bueno. The rest of them got some crepes and stuff like that with chocolate, strawberries, hazelnut, and all that kind of stuff. So let's try it. Yeah man, that's really good. This is probably gonna keep me full now to dinner time. a lot of walking around. We've come to a pizza place called Pizza Al Maida. It's run by some Bangladeshi brothers. Ordered a calzone. Some of the guys have got a kebab and pizza as well. So yeah, I'll let you know how that goes. How's your kebab, Amir?
Top notch.
The food that we had at the pizzeria was quite nice. The calzone was €8. The kebab was €8 as well that my brother had. Yeah, so well priced food, especially for the centre of Venice. Don't know if you noticed, but all these people wearing masks. The reason why is due to the carnival that they have in Venice. It's very popular, as you can tell. There's like thousands of people who have come to view the carnival, and it is really hard to kind of get in and around the main canal strip where it takes place. I believe you need wristbands, and you really need to come early to get a spot on it. I don't think we're going to try to get down onto that main strip where it takes place, but it's quite fascinating seeing all the people with all the various coloured masks and all the colours and different designs of the masks that they're wearing, costumes and all that kind of stuff. Atmosphere is quite vibrant as well. So I think Dad found some dessert, yeah? What do you want to have?
What would you like?
What are we having?
You know me, I never get full, so there's always room for dessert, as they say, you know.
Oh, you want a meringue? Yes. There's no chicken meringue.
That custard in the middle, isn't it?
Oh, the dessert, yeah.
Dad's still the price, but you know what? It's a bit too much out of his budget. You know, there's always tomorrow. What to do about mom?
In a cafe, it is pretty late. It's the Cortado Coffee Lab. Managed to get some hot chocolate with some whipped cream on there, and it looks really nice. Dad's got some lemon tea, some herbal tea on the go. Overall, it's been a really good day. Back in the hotel room now. It's been a very long day. Done so much walking. My Fitbit says we've done over 27,500 steps. So yeah, that is a lot of walking for one day. It's been a really nice day. You know, managed to go out onto the canals on the boat and stuff like that. Had some good food to eat. Had a real good laugh, and the weather was nice as well. All I can say is I definitely recommend Venice for a place to visit. There's so much to do, so much exploring to do, and it's just a nice scenic historical place as well. The city of Venice was founded by the Venetians, and they had a lot of heritage and history, and that shows in all the architecture of the buildings and the way the canals have been set up with the bridges and all that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of vast amount of history here. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, you know what to do. Just give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments, any questions that you might have, just feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and I promise I'll get back to every single question, because I'll read every single comment as well. I just hope you look forward to the next video. Stay tuned and it will be with you shortly, but for now, good night.